Good morning, children. Good morning, everybody. Please, all of you, take a copy, revision copy. We will have a written revision on in this class. Revision of chapter 2 and 3. The long answers and reasoning answers. Let all of them join. Very few students are here connected. In the meantime, I am writing the questions on the blackboard. All the reasoning questions are very, very important. So you all just go through it. And today I will also make you revise. Give reasons.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, children. Good morning, everybody. Please, all of you, first note down the questions and then we will have a written revision today. Give reasons or justify. Question 1. The important questions I am writing on the blackboard. All of you please note it down. Good morning, everybody. Crow is an omnivore. You have to give the reason. It is said that the mode of nutrition in human beings and
मैम इस क्वेश्चन को कॉपी में लिखना है।
Yes, in revision copy or classwork copy. Classwork copy if you are having, or for section D, if you are having a rough copy, you can use that. Okay. You have to give reason for this. These questions. The reasoning question is always very important. Ingestion of food is difficult without teeth. Without teeth. And next, B.
Good morning, ma'am.
मैम मैम थोड़ा लेफ्ट मूव कीजिए ना।
Okay. Now, crow is an omnivore. It is said that the mode of nutrition in human beings and amoeba is quite similar. Then give reason is ingestion of food is difficult without teeth. Third one. Fourth is if we chew rice or bread for a few minutes, it starts tasting sweet. Then bacteria are present in cecum of ruminants. This is your question number 1. You can ask.
हम लेफ्ट साइड वाला बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा. Ma'am, I have written.
When you are completing, please put your hands up. Daniel, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, one by one we will come to the point. रुक जाओ, थोड़ा सा रुक जाओ. Let others also complete.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you dictate question number 4?
Which question, children? Which one?
Question number 1.
One, all the questions. Okay, I'll tell once again, I'm telling. First is, give reason why crow, just crow is an omnivore. You have to justify it. It is said that the mode of nutrition in human being and amoeba is quite similar. Then next is, ingestion of food is difficult without teeth. First is, crow is an omnivore. Second is, it is said that mode of nutrition in human beings and amoeba is quite similar. Then next, give reason for the following. Ingestion of food is difficult without teeth. Next, written thing here, all of you. यहाँ तक सबका हो गया है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If we chew food, if we chew our bread, not food, if we chew rice or bread for a few minutes, it starts tasting sweet. You have to give reason for this one. Then bacteria are present in the cecum of ruminants. These are the reasoning questions. And one question I have taken from chapter number 3. Neutralization reaction is a chemical change. Justify the statement with an example. All of you have to write the example. Okay. Now I will come to the answer one by one. Those who have completed will put their hands up. Discussion of the answers. Okay, Daniel.
Yes, ma'am.
First answer you said.
Crow is an omnivore because crow eat both plant and animals.
Animal products. Animal products. Plant and animal products. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next who will say? Ridhima. Tell me the second one.
Being an amoeba is quite in human beings. An amoeba is quite similar because
Unmute your mic.
open my mic.
Voice is not coming properly. Anybody else? Nalin. Nalin,
Yes, ma'am.
7D.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo. Second one.
Because in both cases, food is taken into the body and then it is broken down to provide the required nutrition to the body.
Okay, correct. Next, Manat. Third one, Manat.
Ingestion of food is difficult without it because it tearing, grinding.
Voice is not coming properly. Okay,
Because
Manat.
it helps in cutting, tearing, grinding, and chewing the food.
Into smaller pieces and makes it easier to digest.
Ma'am, now can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I? Can I, ma'am? Ma'am, can I abhi kya?
Can I, Simran Raj?
जाओ ना अब माइक ऑन मेरी जाओ खुद
Now, can you all hear my voice, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Can I, Simran Raj?
Ma'am, may I answer? Ma'am, can I answer the next question?
Ma'am, can I answer
Anshika.
the... Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if
Anshika,
we
you
chew
tell.
food or a bread from a few minutes, it start tasting sweet because the saliva contain digestive juice that break down the starch to form a sugar. Hence, a starch substance when chew from sometimes taste sweet.
Okay. Then next question. Next question, Sneha, you answer.
Yes, ma'am. If we chew rice or bread for a few minutes, it starts tasting sweet because the saliva contains digestive juice that breaks starch into sugar.
Okay. Next, Simon. Simon,
Yes, ma'am.
next question.
Neutralization reaction is a chemical change as acid and base react to form salt and water. In chemical change, new substance is formed. Similarly, in neutralization reaction, new substances is form of salt and water is formed.
Okay. Next, Kinjal. Kinjal,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell me this question. Bacteria are present in cecum of nutrients.
Yes, ma'am. Bacteria are present in the cecum of ruminants to digest for the further digestion of the cellulose in the body of ruminants.
Okay, Shivam Raj.
Yes,
You tell the
ma'am.
next question. Shivam Raj.
Yes, ma'am. Neutralization reaction is a chemical change as acid and base react to form salt and water. In chemical chain, new substance is formed. Similarly, in neutralization reaction, new substance is formed that is salt and water. Example: sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid, form a sodium chloride plus water.
Okay, correct. Now, Ankur, start from the first question. First one, crow is an omnivore. Why Ankur is not active today? You have not written Ankur. Okay.
Ma'am, can I answer the first one? Ma'am, can I answer the first?
Okay,
Can I
bolo.
answer the first one?
Ma'am,
Can I first one?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, all will get chance. Let Abhigya answer just now. All will get the chance.
Yes, ma'am. Crow. It is true that crow is an omnivore because it.
Why don't you complete the answer, Abhigya?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am,
Can I say Diksha?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am, I'm
Ma'am,
answering. Excuse me, ma'am.
Bolo.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
happened?
It is, ma'am. Actually, my network connection is bad today. Ma'am,
Okay, bolo.
It is true that crow is a omnivore because it eats plant and animal product both.
Okay. Then who was interested now?
Ma'am, can I say?
Can I?
Sneha,
Ma'am,
you
can
have
I?
got the chance. Divya Prakash, you say. Divya
Yes, ma'am.
Prakash, you tell the next one. It is said that the mode of nutrition.
It is said that the mode of nutrition in human and amoeba are quite same because both organisms consume food in solid and liquid state and then broken to provide nutrition to the body.
Then Rupali. Rupali
Yes.
Kumari. Ingestion of food is difficult without teeth. Answer it.
Ingestion of food is difficult without teeth because teeth help us to cutting, chewing, tearing and grinding the food.
And makes it easier to digest. It breaks the food for further digestion. That also you will say. Gauri. Bacteria are present in cecum of luminance.
Yes, ma'am. If bacteria is present in, ma'am, repeat the question.
Bacteria are present in the cecum of ruminants.
Yes, ma'am. Bacteria are present in the cecum and ruminants help in digestion of cellulose of food.
Okay. Aradhya Singh. Aradhya, are you ready to answer? Bolo, next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Neutralization.
Ingestion of
No, I am asking you the next one. Neutralization reaction. What was that? Question per pehle. Neutralization reaction is the chemical change. Justify this statement with example.
injection of the different without teeth.
I am asking about neutralization reaction, children.
It is a sound said that the waste of nutrition in human being
You can't hear
and
my question.
Ma'am, can I
You
say?
can't hear my question.
Ma'am, can I say?
Question is neutralization is the chemical change. Justify this statement. Who is interested to answer? Priyanshu.
Ma'am, me.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Daniel, just now you have said no.
Yes, ma'am.
Daniel.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
During this reaction, always
Ma'am.
new product, salt and water are formed. Example, NaOH plus HCl is equal to NaCl plus H2O. So neutralization reaction is a chemical change.
Shows chemical change. Okay. Priyanshu was also just coming forward. Priyanshu Kumar, you can try.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo. Neutralization reaction.
Ma'am.
Why do you all keep silent?
Ma'am, this reaction, salt and water are always formed. Example, NaOH plus HCl is equal to NaCl plus H2O, MgOH2 plus 2HNO3, MgNO3 plus 2H2O.
Okay. Now, next question. Now, these questions we have done. Now, we will come to the next question. That is, you have to classify the following reaction with different types giving reason. Reason also you have to say. Calcium oxide plus silicon dioxide will give you calcium silicate. First question from your book. Page number 45. That is, classify the following reactions. You have to give the reason. Which type of reaction is this? Who will say?
Ma'am, this is an. Ma'am, can I, Ridhima?
Can I, Shivam Raj?
Ma'am, this is a combination reaction. This is a combination reaction because two reactants are combined to form new product.
Okay, very good. It is a combination reaction in which two reactants are forming a single product. Now, next, Shivam. Shivam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say after Shivam? Ma'am, can I say?
First, let him speak. Shivam Raj.
Yes,
potassium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid gives you potassium chloride plus water.
Ma'am, it is a neutralization reaction because here acid and base react to form the salt and water.
Yes, here acid and base is reacting to form salt and water. Why is Ankur keeping silent today? What happened, Ankur? You are not well. Ankur? I think he has left. Okay, चलो और कौन interested है?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I Ridhima?
Ma'am, may I?
Divya Prakash. Divya
Yes,
Prakash, you get. Next question is copper plus silver nitrate will give us copper nitrate plus silver.
This is a displacement reaction because here one element displaces another in a compound. That's why it is a displacement reaction.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I
Next.
say the next? Ma'am, can I Abhikya?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I, Simone?
Ma'am, can I Ridhima? Ma'am, can I Ridhima?
Kinjal?
Simone, I have given chance.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I Daniel?
After that, we will come to the next questions also. Simone, tell.
Yes.
Barium carbonate gives us barium oxide plus carbon dioxide.
Ma'am, it is a decomposition reaction because one reactant is forming two products.
Okay. Very good. So this, you don't have any confusion in this question also?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will come to the next question. Wait a minute. We will come to the next chapter first. Chapter number 2. State the function of bile juice and pancreatic juice in human digestive system.
Ma'am, may I, Divya Prakash?
Ma'am, repeat it again.
Ma'am, may I, Divya
State the
Prakash?
function of bile juice and pancreatic juice in human digestive system.
Ma'am, may I, Divya Prakash?
Ma'am, may I Ridhima? Ma'am, may I
Okay,
Ridhima?
Ridhima, you tell.
Yes, ma'am. The function of bile juice and pancreatic juice in the human digestive system are: bile juice plays an important role in the digestion of fat, and the pancreatic juice acts on the carbohydrate, proteins, and fat and break them into a simpler forms.
Okay, correct. Now, state the role of acid in human stomach.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I say?
Can I? Ma'am, Kinjal?
Sneha, Sneha Kumari.
Kinjal?
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I say?
After that, Sneha, I have given chance. Sneha, are you
Yes,
hearing me? Bolo.
Yes, ma'am. Hydrochloric acid kills bacteria. It also provides the acidic medium needed for digestion of food by the enzymes in the stomach.
Okay. Next question. Explain how digested food gets absorbed into the blood. Who will say?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I Shivam Raj?
Can I? Ma'am, can I?
Can I Shivam Raj?
Ma'am, can I?
Priyanshu Kumar?
Ma'am, can I Priyanshu Kumar? Priyanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell
The
this
inner
answer.
walls of the small Yes, ma'am. The inner walls of the small intestine absorb the digested food.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I Shivam Raj?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I
can I?
Shivam Raj? Ma'am, may I
Can you
Shivam
Ma'am,
say?
can
Raj?
I? Anshika.
Ma'am,
All
may
will
I?
get that chance.
Ma'am,
Then-
the inner wall of a small intestine absorbs the digested food. It has a large number of finger-like projections called wheel. While the while
Willy?
yes, ma'am, the villi increase the effective surface area of absorption of the digested food. This absorbed food is passes to blood vessels present in the villi. The food does get transported to the part of the body by the blood. It is used to process it product energy and to blood uh, complex substances required by the body.
Next, who can repeat this same answer?
Ma'am, Ma'am, can I Shivam Raj?
Ma'am, can I Priyanshu?
Ma'am, Shivam Raj.
Can I Ridhima?
Ma'am, can I Priyanshu?
Can I, Simon?
Priyanshu,
Ma'am,
बोलो.
Shivam Raj.
Priyanshu, you
The
tell.
inner walls. Ma'am, the inner walls of the small absorb the digested food. It has a large number of fingers line called villi. The villi increase the effect surface area for absorption of digested food.
Or you
Ma'am,
have to
can
add
I?
more.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I?
complete.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, Shivam Raj. Ma'am, may I
To add
Shivam
more
Raj?
lines.
Ma'am, can
Can
I?
I?
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am,
Shivam
can I,
Raj?
Simon?
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I
Shivam
Ridhima?
Raj.
Ma'am,
Shivam Raj.
Ridhima? Ma'am, can I Ridhima?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Shivam
can I,
Raj.
Ma'am,
Simon?
can I Ridhima?
Shivam Raj, you tell.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I
Prakash Kumar.
Ridhima?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Shivam
Simon?
Raj. Ma'am, may I
Akash
Shivam
will
Raj?
also tell after Shivam.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
The
can
inner
I?
wall of the small intestine absorbs the digested food. It has a large number of finger-like protrusions. It's called villi. They will increase the infection surface area from absorption of digested food. This absorbed food is passed to blood vessels present in the villi. The food does get transported to all parts of the body via the blood.
Okay. Then after that, Gauri.
Yes, ma'am. The inner
Tell me
wall
something.
of yes,
You
the
have
inner
said
wall of
after
the
Prakash, I will speak.
Okay.
the inner wall of the small intestine absorbs the digested food. It has a large number of fingers like projection called villi. The villi increase the effective surface area of absorption of digested food. This absorbed food is passed to blood vessel present in villi. The food thus get transported to all parts of bodies via the blood.
Okay. Then who was interested next?
I'm Shivam Raj.
Ma'am, Ma'am Ridhima.
I'm Shivam Raj.
Ma'am Ridhima.
Ma'am,
Shivam, bolo.
Simon?
That time I gave you chance.
Yes, ma'am. The inner wall of small intestine absorbs digested food. It has a large number of finger-like projection called villi. The villi increase the effective surface area for absorption of digested food. This absorbed food is passed through the blood vessels present in the villi. The food thus get transported to all parts of the body by the blood. It is used to produce energy and to build complex substance required by the body. This whole process is called assimilation.
Okay, then Mannat. Mannat.
Ma'am, which question?
The same question. How is absorption of food done?
The inner wall of the small intestine absorbs the digested food. It has a